Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for how we can apply IPO in UAE, especially for Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. And from here this video we are going to look for the Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange only. What are the ways will be available? There are 5 ways I am explaining over here. What are the 5 ways we can apply through? We can apply for IPO. This is not only for the current IPO of Lulu. Whatever IPO will coming for the next year and for next month and all, this is what the procedure you can follow, and based on that you can apply. This will be the guidance for the beginners, those who did not have an idea how to apply for an IPO. This will be the very useful to you. So what you need to do, you can watch as a full video. After that, if there is any queries available, you can leave a comment below. I will help you out. As well as the video is really useful, that also you can comment it below. That will be helpful to me to do for more video on it. If you're a first time user, you can subscribe the channel and keep on watch. And once completed all those things, the video really like it, thus just you can give a thumbs up also. Let's see. What are the ways is available to subscribe an IPO? So there are 5 ways is available for subscribing for an IPO. If the people having for NIN in a sense, National Investor Number. From UAE, there are 2 exchanges is available, DFM as well as for ADX. If you want to trade in ADX, you require for ADX NIN number, as well as if you want to trade in DFM in a sense, you require for DFM NIN. So if you apply for ADX, you cannot trade for both the exchange. So separate exchange required for separate NIN. That's the first thing. So right now we are looking for Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange. We will take it for one example for the current IPO. So currently in Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange, they are announcing for Lulu IPO. So with the help of that example, we will go through all those things. But this procedure will be applicable for whatever company will issue for an IPO. That's the first thing. So NIN expansion, I told you, National Investor Number. If you want to trade for this particular exchange, Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, which is situated in the country of United Arab Emirates. So you can apply through ADX website. The first method, you can apply through ADX website, as well as for the second method, you can apply through ATM centers. You are withdrawing for the money ATM, right? That machine also you can subscribe for an IPO. And for the third way, through WhatsApp. Some of the banks they will offer through WhatsApp also their customer, they will give it for IPO. And for the fourth one will be participating bank branches. And couple of bank they involve for issuing an IPO. So those bank branches straight away you can visit, and from there whatever requirement they are asking, based on that you can apply. Through that you can subscribe for an IPO. This is not for whole bank, all the bank which what are the banks available in UAE, all the banks will not subscribe. So what you need to do, what is the account you're holding, that bank you have to check it in the website, whether they are issuing, whether they are having proficiency for subscribing IPO or not. If it is available, and they will mention under the below for the particular branches, you need to look. For the example, I will show you over here for one bank also. And for the fifth way will be broker application, because broker is a middleman between the depository as well as for the exchange, right? So already you have a broker application, already you have a broker in authorized person which is approved by ADX in a sense. Through that person also you can subscribe through an IPO. So all those things only we are looking over here. Each and every lines I will show you the examples how you need to do it. The first one, ADX website. So what you need to do, just you have to go for ADX website right now. As well as some person having some other doubt also. So what is a document is required, everything I will give in the description below for the link which I posted already for the video regarding that, how you can get for NIN. So required document from the ADX itself, they have given for the individual as well as companies, and for the free zones. Each and every person they have listed separate document. So you can go through this page. I will give you in the description also these things. You can read it for the person. Suppose if you are not an individual in a sense, if you are a company, so what are the things should be required? So you can read those things, and after that you can get it for NIN. And how to trade also, this will be available. As the same thing I already posted for separate video how you can trade it. This will be the guidance for you. So NIN point of view, it's over. Now we are going for IPO. You can open for ADX website. Once you are opening for an ADX website, it's available ADX, say for example in the home page. Once you are opening, this page will open. So particular IPO will be open right now in a sense. See here, Lulu is open. So what I'm doing, I'm going to click this one. Okay. So if it is coming for Lulu, I'm clicking register your interest. Once I'm clicking this one, it will show here E-IPO. Okay, from this page only, just you can click over here for the subscribe. Once you're clicking this one, it will open like this, ADX Investor e-portal. So once you're having NIN only, these all procedure will be applicable. So once you're looking over here, it's showing for Lulu Retail Holding PLC. It's live right now. So 28 October to 5th November 2024, we can subscribe. Okay, at any time you can do this process. So the limit they have been given for 5,000 minimum, and there is no upper limit. So if you're having for 5,000 AED, you can click this one, select an offer. So from here, you need to provide for your email ID as well as for the mobile number. For the mobile number, how you need to give? If you're in UAE, you need to give for 00971 and what is the number. If you're in other country, say for example in India, in a sense, what you need to do, 0091 and your number you need to provide. You will get it for OTP in your mobile number that you have to enter over here. Then you have to click this one and you need to click for subscribe to Lulu Retail Holding PLC. Okay. So I'm doing right now over here. Once you have given those details, it will show like this. Okay, so from here, investor NIN as well as date of birth. So what you need to do over here, you need to provide for your NIN for the ADX as well as your date of birth you need to provide, and you have to click as validate. Okay. Once you are giving as validate, it will show for the next window. So from here it will show like this, your investor number and date of birth, and for the subscription type it will show you individual. Okay, and for your name it will show, because you already have for name, so what's the full name, it's available, same thing it will show over here, and your gender and everything else will be appeared here, as well as along with your mobile number. And for the email ID and your passport number, everything, if you're in another country and all, it will show everything else because you already applied for NIN. And while you're clicking for next step, it will show for postbox number format. So postbox number you need to provide. Okay, as well as for the mobile number you need to provide 00 that I already told you, 00971. What's the number you need to provide if you're in UAE. If you're in other country, in a sense, you need to provide 00 and what's your full number that you need to provide. That time only it will accept. Then you have to click for next step. It will come over here, subscription detail. So for the subscription detail, what you need to give, it's asking for dirham or what is the currency you have. Okay, so from here it is default, it's available for AED, and total investment amount you need to put it for, if it is 5,000, in a sense 5,000, as well as for share details and broker ID. Suppose if you have broker ID, in a sense you need to provide. If it is not available, you need to select for this one, ADX registry member. Through the broker, if you are getting for NIN, in a sense, respective broker, automatically it will appear over here. You need to select. Suppose broker is not available, you have opened your NIN through ADX only, through the Shami app and all, you need to click for ADX registry and automatically it will appear your registry number, respective registry number. If you are selecting for international, for the particular broker, in a sense, the broker number will show over here. So these are the two types is available. So I am selecting for respective broker I am having. Okay. And for the payment type is available and what is a bank name. Okay, then you need to click for next. Okay, so you need to provide for IBAN, that is what I need to fill it up. After that only it will go for the next step. Okay, once you're clicking for the IBAN detail, it will show like this, success, your information has been verified, please proceed to next screen to submit your application. Okay, so now we are clicking as okay over here. Okay, and we are coming down for the next step. Automatically it fetch all the detail. Okay, so from here it's available all the information for the confirmation it's asking. Okay, for the subscription, for the names. Okay, and all the full information will be available, and subscription and everything will be there. And if you're clicking a submit, in a sense, it will accept and it will proceed for your it will gives you your for the application number. What is the application number? If you're submitting, okay, that information will provide you. This is a way for applying through ADX. Okay, I'm not going to apply, so just I'm showing to you. Once you're clicking, the step has been completed. Through the ATM centers. Okay, so for the ATM centers, how you can apply, in a sense, in your ATM card you need to insert for the ATM machine, respective ATM machine. Suppose if you're having for Emirates NBD or okay, for the particular ATM, you need to go and check it, because all the bank, I already told you, this ATM center subscription, all the banks may not be available. For the particular bank only, whether it is available or not, you need to check it in the Google. Okay, for a particular bank, just you can type it the IPO subscription of respective company. Okay, then it will show whether it's available or not, ATM center subscription or not. Okay, it will show you in the website itself. So if it is available in a sense, what is the procedure? So you need to insert your debit card and you have to enter your PIN number first. And for the second, once you are entering your PIN number, it will show you the option like IPO subscription. Okay, there are tabs available, withdrawal, these kind of things, right? As the same way, it will show you IPO subscription from the main screen itself. Suppose if it is not available in a sense, respective bank ATM centers, we cannot subscribe. That's the thing. Suppose if it is available, and you need to enter your investor number. What's your investor number? Investor number in a sense, that's a NIN number. Okay, then you have to select for the fund need to be debited. Okay, and enter your investment, that is amount of invest, that is 5,000 or 6,000, because minimum will be 5,000. More than that, for the denomination of 1,000, that is 6,000, 7,000, like that you need to give. Okay, 6,500 in a sense it will not accept. Okay, the denomination should be required in terms of multiples of thousands. Okay, and how many number of shares required, that is also you need to enter on it. And suppose you need to provide for the amount, or else number of shares you need to provide. If you're providing for the number, automatically it will calculate. And you need to select for the broker. Suppose if it is available, broker is not available in a sense, with the help of NIN number itself, you need to confirm it, and you will get it for the reference number. This is the next way for subscribing IPO through the ATM centers. Again, I'm telling you, you need to insert a code from the main menu itself. The IPO subscription, it is not available, so respective bank not offering through ATM subscription. Okay, that's the thing. If it is available, you can go this way. And for the next way, through WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp, it's not available all the banks. As the same thing, only couple of banks is available for these facilities. So right now I'm showing this Lulu, they are offering for DAB bank, okay, through the WhatsApp. In some other bank also the same thing, you can check it. So WhatsApp, what are the banks available for WhatsApp subscription of particular Lulu retail or whatever company, that name you can provide. And if it is available, it will list out what all the bank is available, or else in your bank you can check it from the main page. Just you can search it for the bank website, or else customer care executive, you can check it whether it's available for WhatsApp. We can subscribe for an IPO, and they will guide you if it is available or not. Okay, and suppose you have this account, okay, DAB account. In a sense, what is the procedure? Existing DAB individual retail customers as well as staff only, they need to, okay, those who are holding for the account, okay, for the existing person as well as for the staff of DAB person, they can apply through WhatsApp. Okay, they need to have UAE mobile numbers, because DAB having different branches all over the world, right? In Pakistan also DAB bank is available, in some other country also available. So the customer with UAE mobile number can register for the service that's required. And IPO subscription, first tranche or retail, the first tranche only you can subscribe through the second and third tranche, it's not available. That's an important thing. Okay, and maximum subscription value will be 1 million only, not more than that. Okay, and CIF and mobile number need to be unique and linked to one relationship only to access DAB on WhatsApp. Okay, so with the help of CIF, okay, and only one person need to access this one, because one person only holding for number. Okay, suppose if it is available joint holder, that's the reason they are mentioning this one. Two person should not do this, only one person. And WhatsApp service is available in English only, there is no other languages is available. Suppose if you have any query for related to DAB WhatsApp subscription, you need to check this one. Okay, because for the example Lulu we have taken, for the Lulu they are subscribing through WhatsApp right now. Okay, suppose in the new company they are announcing for next month and some other month, you need to check it respective bank is available or not. Not only for DAB, in some other bank, Masrak, Emirates and very first Abu Dhabi bank, okay, Fab, okay, all the banks you need to check it. Suppose those who are holding for account over there, such kind of facility is available. If it is available, you can subscribe on it. And for the next one, participating bank branches, okay, that is what the next one. So participating bank branches, in a sense, many banks participate this IPO, so this is not applicable, all the bank need to participate, right? So you need to check it. Suppose in your bank, if you are holding for the account, a respective bank is participating respective IPO or not, you need to check through websites, or else from the website itself, if you are checking, in a sense, you will get it, or else you need to contact for the customer care executive for the respective bank, and they will guide you. Okay, and they will publish in the website. One example I will show you over here. Okay, for Emirate Islamic Bank, okay, they are mentioning over here, this is Emirate Islamic customers existing, okay, those who are having for the account over there. So that person, they need to visit for the branches in Dubai, in a sense, healthcare city, Abu Dhabi, in a sense, they have given main branch of Abu Dhabi as well as Align, and Sharjah and Northern Emirates, they have given for Halwan branch. So these kind of branches specially they have given. So what are the documents required if it is an individual, if it is in corporate, they have provided. Okay, So those person need to bring all the detail, okay, and before that you need to have for nin and all, they will not open over there, okay, only for the subscription, but you need to bring these kind of proof along with the nin number, and from that branch they will subscribe to you. Okay, this is not only for Emirate Islamic, I am giving one example over here. This is a way what is the account holder of you, that respective bank, you can check it, okay, and you need to visit for a branch. By that way also you can subscribe for an IPO. For Lulu and Emirates Islamic Bank, these are the branches they are giving for the offers. Right away you can visit and you can subscribe for respective IPO. That's the thing. And what's the last one? A broker application. So what's a broker which you are holding? Because I am having for international securities. Suppose if you are having for Emirates NBD, in a sense, you can approach that one. Some people will have for some other brokers application, you can check it. So I will show you with the help of international securities how we can apply through IPO. Okay, so for international application app, what you need to do, once you have opened from the home page, and right side corner 3 dotted line will be there, you can click this one. Okay, once you are clicking this one, once you are clicking for 3 dotted line, it will show you account information, document, account statement, and these are all the detail. And from here you need to check it for IPO, right? From here it's available IPO. So what you need to do, you have to click this one, IPO. So what's the broker you are holding, that respective broker application, such kind of option is available. Respective broker application, it's available. So once you're clicking this one, it will show you like this, okay, and symbol will show what is the current subscription of the ADX, it will show over there, okay, and it's showing for Lulu as well as your name will show. And from here Transy is available. Once you're clicking this one, it's available for retail investor as well as for qualified investor. So retail investor, in a sense, first Transy, okay. So retail investor, if you're an individual, in a sense, you need to select. If you're a professional or institution, in a sense, you need to select for qualified investors. So I'm selecting for retail investors. And from here the cash is available, my account this much only. So what you need to do, first you need to deposit in your particular application for the minimum amount of 5,000, okay, that's required. Okay, if it is available more, in a sense, you have to choose over here how much amount, okay. So that is a thing. And price range is available 1.94 to 2.04. From here you cannot do anything else, okay. And amount required, what is the amount is required, that is 100%, or what is that you need to enter over here, because it is available 0, because less amount only available over here. It's required for minimum 5,000 for this Lulu, okay. And IPO amount should be entered over here, okay. And once you are entering for the IPO amount, say for example I'm typing here for 5,000. Once you are typing, it will show over here for 5,000 automatically, amount required, automatically it will come. And fees on allocation 1.5, okay. So from here it's available for minimum amount, that is balance is not available that much, so that's the reason it's showing for red, okay. You need to deposit, after that only it will be. Fees on allocation, that is 1.5, okay. Now fees on allocation for 1.5% they are charging for fees, that is what showing over here, okay. Then you have to click a submit and it will show you the reference number, that means the application number. So through this way you need to submit through international application broker, okay. Suppose if you are holding for other brokers, based on that you can do this activity. So I think right now you can understand what are the 5 ways you can subscribe for an IPO, okay, not only for this Lulu and whatever companies will announce. This is a way you can subscribe it. Suppose this video will be really helpful to you as a beginner as well as those who did not have an idea, even though for advanced user did not know about these kind of ways, in a sense. Just you can leave a comment below. I want to eager to view all those things. If there is any query, you can leave a comment. I will help you out, okay. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.